All right, let's get down to brass tacks. First of all, Merry Christmas. Thanks for tuning in. It's raining. I had to sneak out to run some errands, last minute stuff. It's not my fault. Don't look at me like that. You know how women do. They buy 70 of whatever type of thing they need. They try them all on at the house, clutter everything up. Then they send you back to do returns at the worst possible moment with 69 of the things, and that's exactly what's back there. So I'm about to go run through the rain with some returns, but before I do that, check out this video. It's an old Vintage Sunn Model T that was damaged in transit. So we're gonna do a quick assessment. I don't have a lot of time for funny production stuff. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a little more dry than normal. It is what it is. So all this to say, Merry Christmas to you and yours. Thank you for supporting me. You guys have been with me since the very beginning, and it means everything to me. And I'm gonna find out who sent that little mic, that little Shure MV88. And I just want to say again, thank you. I got to get used to using it. So learning curve there, guys. Take care. Bye. Oh, good morning, goons and mutants. This voiceover is being recorded after the fact, so a little change in energy and volume, no doubt, because I'm out of the house. We got a tornado watch just north of me, got a flood watch right here. It's rainy on a Christmas Eve. I do thank you guys for tuning in for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. What am I doing? We're doing a quick assessment on this old Sunn. Have a look at her. She was damaged in transit. I don't think it was all that extensive, but we'll see. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that stuff. I wish you guys the best Christmas ever, or however you celebrate it. You do that, and you have a great one. You guys take it easy. Bye. Little rain noise for you. All right, Nick, just a real quick update. As you can see, I decontaminated the top of the chassis. You had suspected that this thing was damaged during transit from the retailer or e-tailer, and your suspicions have proven to be correct. You need 4 new 6550s. I see that you supplied those. I have not made my way to the interior of the chassis. You have an old cap can sitting over here. Looks like an old GE model, just because of the color and the construction type, but honestly I can't tell you what it is until I turn her around. But going back to the 6550s, this one was the most heavily damaged. You can see that little plate rolling around in the bottom along with a bunch of material. Well, that's the getter, and that was the one that's aligned to the side here. You see that little empty disc? Let me see if I can capture that for you. Remember when you were a kid, the Easter eggs, you dip them? Well, that's the little guy right here. You see that? So that this little dude right there had become dislodged due to some trauma. The cab does not look like it's broken. Again, I haven't ventured my way towards the interior of this guy here, but that's just a quick external physical assessment. So yeah, certainly new power tubes. All right, Nick. The interior of your chassis looks a lot better than the exterior. The exterior looks good now because I had decontaminated it, but I need to go a little further. So you need a full cap job. I'm even going to replace these guys because I just don't like the way he did things. The bias caps need to be changed as well. It looks like one of them is a little leaky. You need a new quad of 6550s, as I mentioned prior. One of them sustained lethal damage during shipping or transit. So you did supply a new quad, so thank you. But yeah, it needs a full cap job. There's a cap can here just out of the shot. All your voltages look good. Transformers test okay. So I think we can move forward. Yeah, I just need to replace the electrolytics there and clean some things up. and then you should be golden. What else can I tell you? Otherwise, dude, I think she's in pretty good shape, and I'm eager to get going on this. So I wanted to wish you guys out there a Merry Christmas, and thank you for your patience as I've been working through a little bit of a backlog during the holiday season, which is a little stressful, but not a big deal. So I wanted to, again, just say thanks for all the support and patience out there. Oh yeah, I'm getting a random snapping noise, and I think I'm getting a bit of a signal that either these caps or these dropper or decoupling resistors are ready to go. In any case, or it could have been the circuit breaker just relaxing at this angle. It looks like it kind of is. So at any rate, I hope this finds you well out there. And again, pardon the shoddy camera work and all that stuff. I don't have the time to line everything up nicely and do all the production stuff that I want to do, but that's about it.